Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is March the 10th. That'll make it Monday. Not super early in the morning, but sun's out, feels nice. What do we got? 52 degrees. And Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 called me out last night. Without going into a lot of details, I do videos to encourage people and go, hey, things are never as bad as you think they are. Well, I had one of those this week, or this past week. So I came back from my trip, and I'm like, I got to deal with this thing over the weekend, meaning last weekend. And it was a little painful for me to face. And I put it off Monday, I put it off Wednesday, I put it off Friday. I was going to do it Saturday, but I'm like, you know what? I don't want to ruin my Saturday. So I waited till Sunday night, and having dinner last night, March the 9th, Mrs. Crypto Mentor said, you got to deal with da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, yeah, I know. I'm going to do it after dinner. So what I thought was going to be, again, I'm sorry I'm being so vague, but I had this whole thing built up in my mind, the exact same thing I tell you guys not to do. I did this past week, and I don't know, when I was on my trip, I'll give you a little bit more information. When I was on my trip, I got a bill that didn't make sense. And I said to Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99, I can't log in on the website because I'm out of the country. Call this number and see what's going on. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 called me back on WhatsApp and said, yeah, this is what we owe. And I'm like, that's a mistake. Like, there's something wrong there. So I kind of worried about that the last 4 days on my trip. The first week back. Well, last night, the company corrected the problem, and it was like 85% less than what I thought it was going to be. So I had this, again, whole big thing built up in my mind yet again. And I told Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99, she's like, don't you feel better? I said, honey, absolutely I feel better. So anyhow, I'm talking to myself on this video. Slept like a baby last night. Things are never as bad as you think they're going to turn out. And I'm living proof of it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.